I found the spelling bee such fun. Mama, 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 but you didn't react, and you never asked me if I'd join you in the Bombay sun. Mama, 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 I had quietly packed. When are you returning? I know we agreed. Tell me what you're learning. I have forgot this need. I think Dad is angry, Mom, and I do not know what to do. Mama, 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 Shanti, Shanti, and oh, I think he takes out on me, but he wants to take out on you. Mama, 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 how I wish you were home. How I wish you were home. How I wish you were, wish you were. I always knew you were a winner. Big beauty, I wish you were, wish you were home. How I wish you were, wish you were home. Couldn't be louder.
Please let me say it one time louder. I love you. I love everything about you, baby. Baby, it's true. I love you.
Miracle. CHIMERICAL. Highly unrealistic. Wildly fancy.
That is correct.